out of the blue. It's hard leaving you the way when I never wanted to. Self-denial is a game a stranger never would have wanted to. There was you. 'Cause I have learned that love is beyond what human can imagine. The more it lives, the more I gotta let you go. That's why I don't understand. That's why I'm feeling so bad now. When I know it was my dear, could have just denied the truth and love. Why am I the only one standing stranded on the same ground? My love, it's been a long time since you cried. I left you out of the blue. It's hard living you the way when I never wanted to. Self-denial is a game a stranger never would have wanted to. There was you. 'Cause I have learned that love is a word that's thrown a little mix and bunch, the best of two still feel the same thing. And these eyes have never ever had to fail. That's why I don't understand. That's why I'm feeling so bad now. When I know it was my dear, because just another truth in life. Why am I the only one standing stranded on the same ground? That's why I don't understand. That's why I'm feeling so bad now. When I know it was my dear, you're just another truth in life. Why am I the only one standing stranded on the same If all else fails, would you be there to love me? When all else fails, would you be brave to see right through me?
Maraming
Jenlyn, so ano na bang happenings ngayon sa Gumapang Ka sa Lusak?
Naku, marami na nangyayari. Marami nang dapat abangan sa Gumapang, lalo na magtatapos na.
Yun, dapat nilang abangan tong huling linggo. Talagang pinaghirapan namin to at gusto naming mapanood niyo yung ginawa namin, yung mga pinagagagawa namin, pinagpupuyatan namin. Ito na yung huling linggo, kaya sana abangan niyo, panoorin
Ang
niyo.
sweet-sweet nyo naman, oh, guys. Oh. You're so sweet.
Rocco. Ito.
Abangan nyo rin po kung anong mangyayari sa mga main characters, kung anong mangyayari sa relationship ni Dennis at ni Jeneline doon, at kung anong mangyayari sa kay Edmundo, yung kontrabida doon. So, abangan nyo po yan.
Yes, final
Ayan.
week of Gumapang
Exactly. So, good luck, Jenlyn. Good luck, Dennis. Good luck, Rocco. Gumapang Kasalusak, abangan natin yan. Pero ngayon, may iba bang gagapang? Ito, gumapang yung album. Oh. Ito, yun.
Very beautiful.
Napakagandang
and sexy.
album called Philam.
Yes.
At ngayon, kasama natin ang lead singer nitong kumanta nitong Philam na album na to.
Yes.
With Casey Montero, Danny Boy, and Eurasia.
Eurasia.
Everybody, let's all welcome
Amber.
Guys, oo na. Sige na. Convinced na kami sa kamachuhan nyo. Okay na yan. Pwede na.
Yun naman pala. Okay.
Ako, binabati ko nga pala ang ating researcher na si Chino Orbida. Ay, nako, get well soon ako. Get well
Ayan,
soon.
pero ito, sa pagbabalik ng Party Pilipinas, isang tribute naman sa machong-machong composer, songwriter, na talaga namang nagbigay ng malaking kontribusyon sa OPM.
That's right, Mark. Mga kaibigan, sa pagbalik po ng Party Pilipinas, an all-Ogie Alcacid classic number ang mapapanood nyo. And Jeneline, kapantayan mo to sa kantahan with the performances by Francesca, Kyla, and Rachel and Go. Of course, Jaya and Regine sings the classics. Yan po ang mangyayari sa pagbabalik ng Party Pilipinas!